Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna unbox JC Kawasaki planner.
Planer.
Planer.
Okay.
Okay, so
This is used to, in Bisaya, this is sipilya. Sa Tagalog, I don't know. What's it, sipilya in Tagalog? Do you use for finishing?
um,
So let's see, let's check in the box. It has a box.
but in real, I'm not gonna test this. Only my father because this is so very
No, not me
okay.
even.
Yeah.
We will just have a professional test it later in the video. But for now, we will have to open it. Let's see, the box is okay.
Large.
Yeah.
More like I got a treasure
Luggage.
of 100 coins.
Okay. Okay, let's open.
Ow.
That will be. Yeah, it's still.
It hurts.
Let me. Yeah, okay. So put it down. Ta-da!
Wow, I got one. Oh, what's this?
That's I think that's
It's rainbow.
for the alignment in the side.
It's rainbow.
Yeah, it's rainbow. The other one they have that's a socket right?
It's more like a helicopter's handle. Eh.
They have what's this? This is a
Screwdriver.
driver,
Driver.
and I think I don't know what's that.
It's more like as you put a card and swipe it here.
Then
This
it has
is
a
the card.
manual.
It's the manual.
And what is that?
Manual.
There's a small one in there.
Let me just go get it.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I just remember something, but I didn't know what's the word.
That is the carbon brush.
Yes, carbon brush.
Is that in English?
Yep. It's in
So the
English,
manual
siguro.
is?
Oh God. What happened? What happened to the manual?
It got bent. Yeah, just open.
Well, I guess it's more like English. I saw even Roblox here.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll check the unit itself.
Why are you so messy, manual? You must be straight, unlike the others. Jeez. Now let me put them. Never mind this.
In there. Okay, let's bring that one up. And let's take this one down. Okay, it's a bit heavy, around
Ow.
1 kilo, 1.5 kilos.
But Sek, it's only just one hand.
Yeah. Ta-da!
I'm strong, boy. I got a muscle.
Okay, let's
Not even
open
that
to get the
short.
plastic.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so the plug is flat.
Plug. Oh God. Oh God. This
Flat
is,
yung plug niya.
if I use this as a left-handed, it's kind of heavy, but in the right side, it's not heavy. More like
Careful, you will
more
might
like
grip it.
1 kilo.
So it has a long wire,
Ow.
maybe around 4 meters or 3 meters, maybe 2 or 3.
Well, it just
I told you to be careful.
that's a joke.
Yeah, okay. So let's check the items. This is the front. Yeah,
The front.
this is a very nice kind of plastic. Huh?
There's something here. Okay, this one is the plugger.
Yeah, that's the switch.
Dang.
Let's check that one. Yeah, this looks good. The plastic is not really very thin.
There's an iron.
Medyo makapal siya. Okay yan siya.
There's an iron.
Yeah, there's an iron. Well, see, fold it back.
Ow. Owie. Full
Yeah,
of
that's very
iron.
sharp. I told you to be careful.
But I didn't hurt myself, okay?
The inside.
Well, I guess it's too sharp.
Yeah.
It's more like the if you put a clothes and you make it like that.
It uses a Vega. Yeah, this one. This one is different from the others. It's just a nice belt. So we will bring it to the shop for testing. Okay. So will you test it?
No, 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 no. This is
No.
real.
Yeah.
Only father can do it. But
No, not me. We'll just get to the shop and let someone do the test for us. Okay?
okay.
So here we go. Magic. Okay, you're back.
Back.
You're
Say-
back from the shop already?
Yes. Still
So-
my wet. Still my hair is wet.
So what did the
Is
expert say? So the planer went well? Yeah.
yeah.
So
Went
it's
sharp.
okay. Yeah, it's so
Again.
sharp. And it's 220 volts.
And it's looking.
So it can be used anywhere in the Philippines. Pwede kahit saan, guys. Tarang. So that's it. That's for the Kawasaki.
And it's pretty good.
It's pretty good. But it's not for more or less day and night use. But
But please do not use
for
this
projects
for
like
childs.
home projects, home jobs, home one, it's okay. It's okay.
So please like and subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye guys for more videos.
For more videos. If we hit more views and we do
Subscribe.
another video.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.